Hey guys, my name is Elijah. How to use Old Crunchyroll. Unfortunately, you cannot officially revert to the old Crunchyroll website or app layout. As of 2026, the transition to the current interface is permanent, and the beta version you may remember is now the standard global site. However, there are a few community-made workarounds to help you get back some of the functionality or feel of the older version. So a major change for 2026, if you were trying to use the old Crunchyroll to avoid certain paywalls, please be aware that as of January 1st, 2026, Crunchyroll has discontinued its free ad-supporter tier. Even if you manage to load an older version of the app or site, a paid subscription is now mandatory to watch most shows. The free with ads model that existed for years is no longer active. So with this, I hope this information helps to you so you cannot actually now watch the old Crunchyroll and use it. Hope this helps. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.